Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the dongle and opening the Google Home app on your phone. Plug Chromecast into an HDMI port and connect USB power. This ensures stable voltage and prevents random reboots. Once done, switch the TV to that HDMI input so you see the setup prompt. This validates the connection. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you intend to cast from, because the app will provision Wi-Fi credentials to the Chromecast during the next steps. You now complete the configuration in Google Home. Tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, and let the app scan for the Chromecast. This pairing is how control is established. When you see the code on screen, confirm it in the app so you avoid configuring the wrong device. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password to provision the dongle. This lets it join your network autonomously. Finally, name the device and assign a room so voice assistants and multi-room casting know where to route content. You're ready to cast. Open a compatible app, tap the cast icon, and pick your Chromecast to start streaming instantly. Make sure to check Google Home for firmware updates and enable guest mode if visitors need temporary access without your network password. Once content plays, adjust volume from your phone or TV remote if HDMI CEC is enabled. If something fails, restart the dongle, your phone, and the router. Also verify the Chromecast is on the same Wi-Fi band and that AP isolation isn't blocking local device discovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.